How to share app purchases on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to Family. This is the Family Sharing page. You can share your subscriptions, share purchases, and also set up parental controls from here. Tap on Continue below. On this page, you can add up to 5 more people to your family. Go to the Suggestions section and tap on Invite beside the people you want to add. As you can see, the Message tab pops up as soon as you tap on Invite. Here, tap on the Send button to send the invitation message to this person. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. You can now share your apps, movies, TV shows, and books with this person. Following these steps, you can easily share app purchases on iPhone.